October 17th, we're in Colorado. Here's this aircraft up here. They just took off. There was 2 on board, and they seem to be in a stall here, losing altitude, and ends up coming down. So today we'll be figuring out what happened in this NTSB Final Report from October 17th. Here's the aircraft here, a de Havilland Tiger Moth Mk2 built in 1972. A little biplane tail dragger, and this is how it ended up. So the 2 on board were okay, minor injuries, but you can see substantial damage to the wing. The prop is damaged. There was fuel spills. They had to put the sock down and put down kitty litter and absorbent. So this is what happened. The pilot and passenger intended to complete a personal cross-country flight with variable wind about 6 knots at the departure airport. The pilot noted the windsock nearest the airplane indicated a tailwind, but the other windsocks farther down of the runway indicated a headwind or crosswind. During takeoff, the biplane became airborne faster than expected and climbed well. So the airplane pilot made an early right turn over the airport hangars. The airplane's upper wing slats fluttered, which indicated that the pilot's airspeed was too low. Then they came out hard, which indicated the airplane was near a stall. The pilot ensured the throttle was full forward, decreased pitch, altitude, and maintained airspeed, but felt the airplane was being forced down, unable to maintain altitude with no suitable force landing area. He maneuvered the airplane and collided with the side of a hangar on the ground, and then it nosed over. The airplane sustained substantial damage to the wings, fuselage, and empennage. So I can't really see any damage to the hangars here, at least in this picture. But I'm assuming this is the final resting spot. And this is that airport, Greeley Weld County Airport, if any of you are familiar with this area in Colorado. I don't know if any of you flew in Colorado and if any of the altitude plays a factor. But for this one, probable cause was the pilot's decision to turn out early during the initial climb and failure to maintain adequate airspeed, which resulted in an aerodynamic stall and impacted with airport hangars. Contributing to the accident was the variable wind conditions above the hangars and the pilot's lack of awareness of those conditions. So I just want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. I am thankful for all of you who watch this channel. Eat some turkey, watch some football, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch more, you can watch it here. This is Arfred Amkioni, and I'll see you guys next time.